If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're fixing something simple but powerful: your streaming quality. Because let's be honest, there's nothing worse than watching something blurry, low quality, constantly adjusting. And most people think, I just need better internet, but that's only part of the story. Streaming quality depends on three things: your internet, your device, and your settings. Let's start with internet. Yes, speed matters, but consistency matters more. If your connection drops, your quality drops. Next, your device. If your device is outdated, it won't support higher resolutions properly, even if your internet is fast. And finally, settings. Most people never check them, but your apps often default to lower quality. So what should you do? Check your settings. Set quality to high. Use a stable connection. And make sure your device supports it. Because when everything is aligned, streaming looks amazing. Sharp. Clear. Effortless. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here. Right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And one day, you'll be able to say, you were part of this journey early.